So here we are, it arrived today, the new Lego Mos Eisley Cantina. Very exciting, very big box.
What's in the box?
Always exciting.
It's always very exciting when a big box comes.
So, I'm going to open it. Oh.
This is a very big box. This is very exciting.
Box, big box. Probably should have used some scissors, but it's too exciting. Oh. Here we go. What's in the box? What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Oh. Kaboom. Oh, look at that. That's typical. There's some freebies in here as well. Look at that. Look at that. So exciting. So, oh, there is Yoda's lightsaber. Awesome stuff. And Monkey Kid, Monkey Kid bicycle.
Don't like it.
Delivery bike. Nah. Not as exciting as this. Oh. There it is. Look at that. Over 3,000 pieces. That is going to be fun.
This is a very big box. This is very exciting.
Check back in and we'll film the build. See you soon.